What's up, Flex fam? It's your boy Fabrizio with another video, and today I received a package from Magnus Running. I bought one of his t-shirts and I'm very hyped. I really like the design, and yeah, he's a YouTuber from the UK, so if you not know him, check him out. He is linked in the description, and let's go right into the unbox area. Let's go. So the shirt dropped recently, so if some stock is available, I will tell you in the comments. And yeah, I bought it for around £35, I guess, and then shipping to Germany was around £10, so that's completely okay. And yeah, it came in this Royal Mail bag. And so, first of all, we have the t-shirt, obviously. Bro, that's professional, nice. I love this Magnus, if you see this, where the logo is all over, that's cool. And here's the t-shirt, the Happy Forever After t-shirt. Nice. Hopefully the fit, and the t-shirt itself, the quality is fuego. No, but then we have here a gift card. No, not a gift card, but a thank you for your purchase card. With his autograph, I guess. So that's pretty nice. Really like this. And oh, we have some candy in here. That's sick, bro. That's sick. I mean, it's crushed, but that's sick. If you can see it, the logo, the running logo, is over the candy. That's sick, bro. That's a thumb up. That's sick. So we have size M t-shirt. I hope it fits me, because I'm a bit smaller in sizes. So I hope it will fit me. And now we are getting to some B-roll. So let's go. So guys, I'm back with the t-shirt on, and all in all, I'm impressed, Magnus, if you see it. The quality is insane. For me it's very important that it's made in Portugal, because I think it's under fair conditions if you made it in Portugal, and that shows in the t-shirt. It's nice, the quality is good, the fit is also nice. For me the fit is too wide at the arms, but that's okay because I have no muscles there, so I guess it's my fault there. Yeah, the design is very nice. I really dig this, and I'm so lucky about this pickup. So maybe you can pick up yours yourself. And I have M, so I would size a bit down if you want a not that oversized fit. Yeah, I hope you liked the video. If yes, please leave a like or a sub. It would mean a lot to me, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye.